Today we're going to be updating you guys on a property that we're setting up as a furnished rental. We're doing this one as more of a nurse housing and corporate housing type style. It's going to be focused more on families and corporate travelers, people that are coming for medical purposes. Not so much the shorter term vacation rental stays, but more focused on week and month-long stays. Today we're going to be just doing a quick little update. What we had to do is we had to go in and we had to repaint the house. There was a couple of smears and smudges, a couple of black marks and stuff like that. So we got with the owner. The owner actually gave us the credit to be able to do the painting work. So we hired a friend to come in and help us with the painting as well. Do kind of a little bit of a time lapse here. Might have to go back and do some more painting tomorrow. Just have to kind of see how the paint dried. But now tomorrow is focused on furnishing and staging the property, getting it ready for a photo shoot, as well as also getting all of the utilities set up in our company's name, photographed, and get a virtual property walkthrough, which you have a friend that does full walkthroughs, kind of like Matterport, only this actually allows you to have clickable links. So if you have Amazon affiliate links, every time a guest stays, they can actually click on any of the links inside of your listing, and they can actually purchase something for their home. Whether say like they really like a piece of furniture, rather than having to ask the host, they can literally just go into the clickable link, click on it, buy it, and have it shipped to their house by the time they get home. Pretty sweet stuff. So we're going to be also tagging and updating that information as well, talking about my friend Alex, who does that, and some of the technology he uses. So let's go ahead and check it out. We did a quick time lapse, just kind of showcasing the work. And I also have a really special surprise, so be sure to stick around till the end, because I think you're really going to like this.
First things first is Allie's going through and she's checking every single item that's come in. We had multiple shipments over the course of about 5 days, and some stuff got delivered to the house, mostly the bigger stuff. Some of the stuff got mixed up and like some of the smaller stuff got delivered. So there's quite a bit of stuff that came, and we actually still have more stuff coming. A lot of the big stuff like the couch and the dining room table haven't made it yet. We have almost all the beds. We're still waiting on a king size, which is going to be delayed too far in the future. So we're going to end up having to go over to Walmart or a local store and pick up the king size mattress. We already have the frames, so all the frames are going to be built out tomorrow. You can see we're just kind of painting. This house is pretty big. It's 2,500 square feet, so we had to go through each and every room. There's 5 rooms in total. There's 4 bedrooms and an office, and we had to paint every single wall. So it took us a good amount of time, but we were able to get it all done. Plus, you can kind of see some of the boxes and like some of the debris and stuff. Every room we went in and we rolled out paper and painted all the walls and got rid of all the spots that had, black smudges. Wow. Black smudges and like handprints and stuff like that from the last renters. So it was pretty fun job. We got to listen to some good Mexican music and some Luis Miguel and stuff like that. All right, so we're just wrapping up today. We finished painting the entire house, and now we're heading back to our place. And this just came in. I'm super excited about this. This is called Minute, or Minute, however you want to say it. It's a noise monitoring and home device detection equipment. It detects temperature and humidity. It also detects noise, and it's a decibel level system, so it doesn't actually record people. All it does is tell you if people are getting too noisy and rowdy, and it even sends an automated message to them as well. And you can pre-program that so that it sends it out to the guests directly. And you can program something like, hey, just want to let you know that the neighbors just filed a noise complaint, and we don't want to get kicked out of this neighborhood. So if you guys don't simmer down, then unfortunately we're going to have a team member come escort you off the property. So you never really have to deal with rowdy guests. So pretty excited about that. Got one for each of the properties, and gonna be installing it tomorrow. We also have to do, bumping into my wife over here. We're gonna also do, set up the internet as well, because the internet's still not turning on. It's got like the lighting kit and whatnot. So yeah, the goal is to have this place ready by Thursday so that we can get everything listed and then
get it running, and then be able to go check out another property up in Kansas City, Missouri. So be update you guys on that. It's a 16 unit possible apartment complex that we might convert into furnished rentals. So should be pretty cool. And that one's gonna have a killer cap rate. So we're gonna take it probably from an 8 cap down to like a 5 or 6 cap, just because the NOI is gonna go through the roof if we're able to do all 16 units. Even if we can only do 2 of the units, it'll add an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month in cash flow, which is pretty standard. Austin's like 10%, so 10% of 16 is 1.6. It's about 2 units. Probably get away with 2 units easily. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. That's the recap. Hope you guys had a great day, and kick some ass, take some names.